Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with a One Sketch Challenge 23. It's a challenge hosted by Lisa, Crafting Diva. I'm going to link her below the video so you can check out her sketch challenge. Also, I'm going to include the sketch for this month, so you can, if you want, you can follow it. And remember to use that hashtag One Sketch Challenge 23 so we can have a look at your projects as well. You can share it on your YouTube channels or any social media actually, so we will try to see what you've created. I also going to include all the ladies who are taking part in this collaboration, but I want to mention that this is an open collaboration, so anyone can join in. I missed last 2 months because I wasn't feeling well, and even right now my throat is not now it's my throat actually, so yes, but I prepared quite a few elements and I fussy cut some of the extra bits and pieces. I'm not sure what I'm going to use, but I will try to follow the sketch. You can move about the sketch, you can adjust it to your likings, as long as it's slightly similar to the sketch. It's your it's how you're going to interpret that sketch. It's all up to you, so you can be creative with that sketch as well. So let me put it flat. My card base, which I created myself, I usually use A4 cardstock, and I cut my square card base to 5 3/4 inch, and then I do mats and layers. As you can see, I've got the black one. Let me see which one I want to use. Maybe I want, no, it's just too much, too many patterns. I'm using a paper collection from a Craft&You design. I'm on a design team for that brand, and if you watch my video from Monday, you will see the card I've created with this collection as well. And on that video I'm actually showing you the collection and all the elements to fussy cut, so you can check it out and see what kind of elements you will get with this collection. If you missed this, I will try to include it at the end of this video so you can check it out, and in the description box below as well. So please have a look, and hopefully you will like it as well. I think this is my, I don't know how many cards I've done with this collection. I think for masculine cards there are not many nice collections, but I think this one is really cool, especially all those elements to fussy cut, so you will see in a minute. First, I'm actually because on the sketch you could see two kind of different patterns papers maybe, but I decided to put one, and I've got still that part visible, so I think that should be fine. The square was kind of in the center, but because let's see, maybe because I fussy cut that banner, so I thought I will just put it slightly to the side. So let me do that. So I'm adding some foam pads and then this rectangle or square, so I can lift it up a little bit. I think I like making those type of cards where I add some foam pads, I add dimension and stuff, so I think that's how I create. And if you watch my channel, you know that I love using 3D foam pads. So I'm going to add this one, then I'm going to add that banner, and then I can play with the composition, because in the center I'm going to show you in a minute what I was planning, but because I was preparing and I thought, no, I don't like it. You had this circle element, and maybe let me put it, maybe it's going to be, but I thought like I need a bit more on this card, so I decided to go with something else. I've got those elements which I cut out, and I was thinking to create some sort of composition and maybe some flowers and maybe some glasses, maybe something like that, and that would be actually instead of that circle. So I'm thinking about doing something like this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add here that first, and then I will see how much space do I have left, and then I will decide what to do next. So let me add some foam pads. Still checking if I'm recording, because I haven't been recording that much lately, so it's like I kind of forgot how to do it. But I think it should be fine. Or maybe I need to add another layer, because it's kind of has to be raised a little bit more. That's how I feel. So I'm going to include the list of other ladies who are taking part in Lisa's collaboration, so you can check them out as well. Go over to their YouTube channels and see what they've created. I think there is someone, I think I want to say Margaret, who is actually sharing her projects on Instagram. But as I said, I missed 2 last month, so maybe something changed. But check out the description box below. So I will try to include all the informations, and remember about the hashtag if you want to share it with us. So yes, it would be nice to see other people joining in as well. So I like it already, and as you could remember from the sketch, we had some Nuvo drops or beads or something in the corners, but for now I think I'm going to skip it. Let's see, I'm thinking about this, but it's, we see, not much space, so I think I'm going to put it here. Do I have anything else? Or maybe should I? No, I think I put those letters a little bit too low, but I'm going to work with this and I'm sure it's going to be okay. So as you can see, more foam pads and I need to add a longer one here. Need to elevate everything. I hope you're enjoying your day. I know this week hasn't been that great, a bit more rain, especially my girls weren't very happy because it's half term, and actually I'm off this week, and hopefully I'm actually recording on Sunday and we are about to go away for that week. So let's see if it's going to work out for us or not. We booked 2 days for now, but we're going to Wales. So let's see, if the weather will be good, we will continue our journey. If not, we will come home. So for us, it's always like last minute. And I think I'm going to adhere it flat. And we just go with the flow. Unless we go abroad, of course, then we book everything properly. But if we go somewhere here, then we are trying not, even though for me actually it is stressful because I don't like doing this that much, leaving everything to chances. So I'm adding, I want those flowers. Where are those beautiful flowers? You can use flowers on your masculine cards. I want to add those macaroons somewhere, maybe on the other side actually. Let's see. I think I'm going to add those flowers first. I'm going to use that thin long strip, and then it's going to be kind of adhered but with some gaps underneath it, so I can tack something under if I feel like I know what I want to use. I've got those glasses as well. Let's see if they're going to work or not. I need something else. and maybe some leaves. Let's see. Let's see. That's what I like to do. I love playing with all those elements, and then I can actually create something quite different. Maybe I'm going to use only one. Let's see. You know what? Let me do it. I'm going to cut that shirt off a little bit, and then I will add those macarons. I don't know how do you pronounce it. So I'm going to add those. My husband needs his glasses, so if girls will decide that they want to use this card for Father's Day, they can do it, because the last card I've done with this collection, actually they used it for his birthday. So don't want to cover those flowers that much, but don't like that gap. No, it's fine now. Okay, let's do this way. And macarons, they will actually kind of, maybe no, I'm going to cut a little bit more. You see, don't be afraid. It's all up to you. It's your creativity. So yes, I like that. Those few leaves. And I need my tweezers to push it down. And I like those leaves when they are lifted a little bit. So let me see. Yeah, I like that. I like it a lot, actually. So you see, I could actually add a few gems on that side. And I will see, I've got those nice black ones, and I think that those would work really well here. Need to cut a bit more, and they're sticking to, see, it's like a surgery. Oh, I hope I'm not messing this up. No, see, that's better. I like that. And now let me see if I want to add those gems. I actually like this card a lot, and as you can see, I still got quite a lot of elements I could actually use on this card, but I think that's plenty already. So let me see. Okay, we've got a gift, we've got some flowers, we've got my husband's glasses, some sweets, and some embellishments as well. I feel like, let me grab those gems. I'm going to rustle a little bit, look for them. We got a full bag of those gems, and I remember I was putting away those black ones. But where are they? I've got the silver ones. Maybe I should add those silver instead of the black ones. Let me put this away and see if I want those silver ones. Do I want them or not? I'm not sure actually. Maybe here. No, I think I will leave it as it is, and I think I'm happy with this one. So this is my card for One Sketch Challenge 23, hosted by Lisa. As I said, I will include all the informations below the video so you can check it out. And if you want, please join us, because I think it's such a fantastic challenge to try to do something with that sketch. And if you do it, just remember to add that hashtag One Sketch Challenge 23. So thank you so much for watching. Check out Lisa's video as well, and other ladies who are taking part in this collaboration. So thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely afternoon, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.